welcome to India TV. I am Shivangi, and today we are here at India TV Chunav Manch to talk about Delhi Assembly elections. And for that, I have with me Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, Rajya Sabha MP and BJP spokesperson. Hello, sir. Welcome to India TV. Sir, first of all, how confident are you that BJP is going to win the elections? How many seats do you think?
I think Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has said that Aam Aadmi Party AAP government has itself become an आपदा. And there is a famous proverb in Hindi कि रहीमन विपदा हूँ भली जो थोड़े दिन होए हित अनहित या जगत में जानी परत सबको है. It means the crisis is sometime is good for us. It gives us insight that who is good for you and who is bad for you. But I think it has been a long time of 10 years in which the people of Delhi has got a clear vision that who is actual well-wisher and who is the fatal and detrimental person for Delhi government. So I think the people of Delhi has decided that they are going to give a decisive and massive mandate in favor of Bharatiya Janata Party.
So in that case, who is going to be the chief minister?
Definitely, the time will come and we will provide a very efficient and effective chief minister which will be, you can say, fulfill all the aspirations of the people of Delhi.
So right now, there are three parties in Delhi that are contesting the elections. BJP, Aam Aadmi Party and Congress. Who is giving you a tough fight this time?
Actually, the parties in Delhi elections are very peculiar. If you look at the one party is a Congress party, which is a grand old party. It has become too old, too feeble, that it's on way out in Indian politics. Then other is a very new party. It is an experimental party. And Congress party is a fatal party. So I think both these parties have been tried, tested and failed by Delhi's people, at least the Gen Z. Or in 21st century, these two parties have got enough time to rule, but they proved to be a disaster for Delhi. So I think it is a fair chance that the people of Delhi will give a very clear and fair mandate to us. And I can say कि 21वीं सदी वाली जनरेशन से कि सबको देखा बार बार हमको देखें एक बार.
इसी बात पे अगर बात करें आम आदमी पार्टी की, so BJP has accused Aam Aadmi Party of giving away freebies, but later on they themselves, started offering 2,500 for women. So how is it like? What is the stand actually?
There is a fundamental difference. Our target is welfare. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision is inspired by Deen Dayalji's thought process of Antyodaya. That is the rise of the last man sitting on the last pedestal of the society. If you remember in 2014, we have talked about Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Jan Dhan Abhiyan. It was not motivated by the electoral politics. But what we want to do, we want to empower the people. Like the Mudra Yojana, Prime Minister started. That will give a 10 lakh rupees, up to 10 lakh rupees loan for any person who wants to do its own business. Now, when we become the fifth largest economy, our foreign exchange reserve has become $650 billion. We have changed it to 20 lakhs. Previously, we were giving Kisans 6,000 rupees a year. Now we have changed it to 12,000. Previously, we were giving Ayushman Bharat for 50 crores. We do research and we find out that this section of the society needs. Now it is for everybody who is 70 plus. So we exercise our brain. We analyze the situation, then we provide the weakest and the worthy person. And they do not do any exercise, just a flat. And you are saying that you are giving free ride to every woman in Delhi. Delhi is that capital in which, as compared to any other state, the women are more literate, more financially well off. मतलब मैं एक बात कहूँ कि अगर सबसे ज़्यादा कारें किसी स्टेट में होंगी जो महिलाएं चलाती होंगी तो दिल्ली में होंगे और आप कह रहे बस में फ्री ड्राइव देंगे. That shows that even you do not apply an iota of mind in giving any declaration. So that is the fundamental difference between our approach and their approach.
But also Kejriwal has accused that BJP is trying to buy votes.
I think they have seen that their defeat is inevitable and it is as clear as writing on the wall. So this is nothing but they are making a premise of their inevitable defeat. जिसे कहते हैं ना कि अपनी शिकस्त के जो तयशुदा शिकस्त का आधार बनाने में अभी से लग गए.
Sir, how many seats? That's my final question this time.
That will be a decisive and massive mandate.